So in today's video, we're not really going to be fixing anything. We're going to play with something that I fixed 4 or 5 months ago. Rebuilt the whole transmission on this unit right here, on this Polaris. And with that, I don't know if I showed in the video, but we got snow tracks. So we're going to take this out, see how well it does, see if we can break something, or just see if me and the dog can have fun. So get out the drone, get out the dog, play in the snow. Keep watching. To show you guys the tracks real fast, people will ask, these just bolt right on where the wheels are. The only thing is so the entire assembly doesn't just flip around and get jammed up in the fender and everything, is there's an anti-rotation bracket. This thing right here, the bolts right here, the bolts to the frame. So this black piece is part of this track system. And you can see there's a big old spring. So it allows it to move probably about like this. And you know, and that's it. No more motion than that. I'll show you the fronts. Fronts are the exact same way. That just allows it to tip, you know, up to about like this angle and then down, and that's it. So it doesn't just spin around and destroy everything. Hey, what's today's venture? Side by side with tracks in the snow? Yeah, I think so. Just gotta load up a couple more don't get stuck features, but let's go. Let's go play in the mountains. I know there's no snow on the grass, but there was this morning, so there's gonna be way more snow up in the mountains. So let's head up, see if there's something to play with. Ginger's excited. She's already been sitting in there forever. Let's grab the spare winch, jump starters, extra batteries, cables, rope, etc. Let's see. That one ain't going nowhere. That one might. Let's go. You're so dang excited. We got snow on the ground. Nice. Excited? She's so dang excited. Did you crash the drone? You're supposed to be flying it. Look at that. You really, I don't know if you can get any better of just a snow landing. Not even damaged. Hey, what are your thoughts on venison? I think they want to play with you. Look up there. You see them? They want to play. It never fails. This right here is probably about 1.5 feet deep on the road. And you always see like small cars come up here. Looks like we got a Nissan or something stuck or been stuck overnight. Let's see. Yeah, they had to abandon. Like, it gets bad like way before this. I don't know why you keep going. I got 4-wheel drive. Well, looks like they made it up to about there and then backed up, and now they're stuck in the ditch until who knows when. Starting to push our luck. It's starting to get snowmobile only territory. This will do a lot, but it won't do what a snowmobile will do. It doesn't have as much flotation. I actually got stuck up in here for a second. This is deep. My Yamaha Rhino that I have tracks on, it doesn't have much power. The tracks really zap the power. This is a trail that comes up. It's like a shortcut. And there's no way I can make it up. But I dove it down that. It's hard to tell. That's about it's a little more than 45, about a 50-degree angle down. And then goes through the bushes and ends up way down there. This thing is probably about 10 inches wider, and it makes it way harder to get through areas. But the tracks are wider, everything wider. It's raised up higher, and it has more than twice the horsepower. So it can really push. It's a little deep. Let's see, how deep is it? Go. How deep is it? Go. You don't even want to, because we know it's deep. Go ahead. No, we don't even want to right now because it's too deep. Nope, didn't make it. Little trail maintenance. Yeah, we don't fit on this one. This is not meant for us. Do we fit? Not really. So a couple of guys asked for an update on this. I did a whole video on rebuilding the transmission on it, and it has been working fantastic. I actually bought it with these tracks. That's one of the reasons I bought it. It was broken, but it came with a set of tracks. So that made it a screaming deal. I bought it for less than you can just buy a set of tracks for. So it has been working fantastic. I installed a heater in there. That's been working fantastic. I installed a couple other little things that I didn't show videos on. Let me show you. All these little, these pieces right here are just plastic. They're just that corrugated like sign. They're actually election signs. When the election's over, I grab a bunch of these signs. So that's what those are, because I know with my other machine that snow gets thrown in. So I kind of just made these little windrows up here or whatever. It just kind of blocks a ton of snow from falling in. You can put ones on the roof and stuff like that. But the best thing, I didn't show you guys, the best thing you can do with a four-wheeler or anything, you buy these heated seats. This is like a pair. You plug it in and they just like into your cigarette lighter. You flip on and off the switch. These work amazing. Dog's feet get warm, they burn your butt. Those get so hot. So, but there we go, guys. I'm gonna go keep playing around before, like, the camera makes it lighter than it is, but it's getting dark. So play around and then head back to the truck and drive home. Here's the debate. I know you don't like to be carried, but if you walk to the car, you are gonna get mud all over the seat of the car. So you gotta be carried. It's your only option. Okay?